Hi everyone, Daniel here for the Daniel Eigenmann Broker Forum. I hope you are all well and started Monday morning with a bang. I wanted to take a quick couple of minutes to remind you the reason for these weekly live videos, and it's really to educate you, to provide you with information that you need to make better better decisions about your home loan, whether you already have a home loan, whether you're looking at changing your home loans, or whether you're looking at getting a new one. It's really all about making informed decisions. And you know, every week I rack my brain, think about what I'm going to talk about. Usually it's driven by, I come across during the week, clients I talk to, issues that I see. But really what I wanted to do is turn the table around this time and ask you guys what it is that you want to know more about. What are your biggest challenges when getting your finance or getting your finances in order? Because I see everything. I see people who are first home buyers, fall in love with the idea of owning a property. Finance might be a second thought. Only really start doing something when they've found a property, put an offer in, and suddenly they say, well, where am I going to get my finances from? And I get people who are in such financial stress, they've almost given up. So they don't know what to do. And you can get to a point where you're so deep that you can't see any way out. And this is where I can also help out is, I can be a person, a confidant if you want, you can talk to about your situations. It's completely confidential. I have no bias. I'm basically here to help out. So if you're in a situation where you really don't know what to do, whether it's to buy a first property or whether you have already a loan and you find things are just too hard and you've almost given up, give me a call and we can sit down, we can have a look at your situations, and then I'll give you an idea what your options are. Because you know what? There's always an option. We just got to find the one that is right for you. So now let me ask you the question again. And Michael, how are you? Nice to see you there. If you've got any specific questions, let me know, and then I can cover them either over the phone, or if it can benefit other viewers, I can then do a video about it. Because I think that's the best way to consume information, quick information, to be better informed, is with simple, quick, to the point, content-driven, content-rich videos. So remember, just give me a call on 0412-022-110, or leave a message, a post down there, or send me a quick direct message with the questions, and I'll cover that in the next videos. I mean, ideally, I like to do more videos than once a week, but more importantly, I want to make sure it's relevant to you, it's useful to you, and really helps you make a better decision about one of your biggest decisions, which is your home loan, your finances. It's not every day that you borrow hundreds of thousands of dollars. So make sure you do the right thing. Talk to people, give me a call, send me a message. All right, hopefully I'll hear from you soon. See you guys, see you Michael, have a great week. Talk to you soon, bye.